Well, welcome back to Big Beautiful Traveling. Today I'm going to be putting on a this Apache case back here on my motorcycle rack. I've already done some work, so I can kind of speed this up a little bit and make it a shorter video, but I'll walk you through what I had to do. First thing I had to do was pull these 4 bolts out of the back end here. Those come right out, and this will lift right off. You do have to take the cover off here to get that to come off. So that pops right off. Now there's 4 bolt holes, one here, 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 and here. And that's what I did was in the box here. I took the plate off, laid it on here, and marked them, and I've drilled 4 holes. And then I'll show you the hardware lineup that I got here. This is all 5/16 18 stainless steel hardware. So I've got a flanged bolt, and then a flanged nut, and then I'll have a washer. This is what you see fastened in right here. I've tightened these down really tight with the flange. I don't need a split washer or anything, because they're marred up on the back, so they will dig in good and stay tight. So I pop the washer on there, and then from that the box will set on there, and then the inside here I will have the rubber gasket, another washer, and a flanged nut. And then they didn't have enough wing nuts, so what I eventually do, these 2 will be changed out to wing nuts like this with a split washer. The wing nuts don't have any grooving on the bottom, so I'm afraid those may back off, but this will make it easy for me to pull this off if I'm out somewhere and I want to take it into a hotel, or put it inside where nobody messes with it. So we'll put this together here real quick, and give me a minute and I'll come back. Hey, one thing I do want to point out, I thought I was going to have enough room, but I didn't. If I were to do it again, I would move this forward. I'd move this forward, back towards the tail a little bit more. These ridges get in the way of me getting the key in my holder there. But I won't have the toolkit in that. My toolkit will stay in here now, so I won't even be using that. So I just wanted to point that out, to be aware of that. Thanks. Okay, I got everything put on now. That's what she looks like when she's together inside. Go down and look. You got the washers underneath there. She's all fastened in. So now, throw my pad in her, pop my tool kit in her for now, and that's pretty much it. You can lock it, and I've got me a little trunk case on there now. Now I think it was $30 that I spent for the Apache case here from Harbor Freight Tools, and all the stainless hardware cost me right around almost $28, and I had almost $5 or a little under $5 in the 4 rubber washers. So all in all, about $35 for hardware, and $30 for the case. But I do believe I picked that up on sale, but I don't remember what it run me. Well, thanks for watching. This has been Big Beautiful Traveling, putting on a little pannier trunk on my 2022 Kawasaki KLR 650. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.